In this video log, we are going to see how Binance robot is working. Basically, it's overviews so that we could remind in future how it was, how the program was managed. So very first shell script that runs is run robot. It is open. It has been, we have opened this file, run robot shell script. So basically it runs a published file in Binance fork. So Binance fork, let us open the test robot, and it runs the that it runs from somewhere here, but but our base and some other scripts are also there to decrypt the saved decrypt the uh, saved file. The backup files are here. We have made backups of the MySQL data, and basically they are encrypted. ENC stands for encrypted, and to decrypt it, we have this file decrypt. So uh, we have to run from the shell decrypt as such, and all other files are the major API is here, Binance fork. So and this is the solution and README file, what is written in the README file. So many things are there. We could study it also. Let us open this Binance fork proof solution. Here we have the here we have the Binance API. Then there is this robot, and MySQL project is also there to provide the database API. And this robot should start from program.cs, and various things it can bind. It has some client and start script is there to sell uh, the coins. It is here, and buy is here, like this. So basically we need to enter into the program.cs file, and program file contains engine gets started with argument 0. I think the argument 0, which is taking from the start, it is a coin pair that we have to enter, like ETH USDT, and like SOL USDT Solana, in this way. So let us so there is this class engine, and we start this engine. Start the engine with the pair string pair. So start. So there is start, and we have this program. Okay. So start this argument, first element of this argument goes here, and obviously when we start this and see, it is the pair that we start. So engine first engine will first create a socket connection to the Binance exchange, and it will continuously fetch the order details, or the whatever the trades may be, or maybe the depth of the market, and on some port it will continuously keep on sending uh, current rate, or the current trade that are being happening over the time. I have opened this in three vertical groups of the document, because uh, the main objective of this video is to take a look at the socket client, which opens a socket with a WebSocket sharp library, and a new thread is created so that uh, it can continuously show it can continuously keep on updating the what is the uh, current rate of the current market price. So the basically on or around message, when the message arrives, it goes on the WS on message. So that's and here he writes the data of this message, whatever the message has been received, and what does it take? The socket client, there is no constructor here, I believe, but a static socket, uh, socket. And how does it take the is the overloaded method subscribe aggregate trades, or the subscribe trade, subscribe depth. So all these methods, any of these method can be used to connect to the stream and get the message. So subscribe depth or subscribe trade, let us look where it has been used for in all reference symbols without reference. So it hasn't been referenced anywhere. Maybe some other place it might have been used. And after, so maybe it has been used in some shell script to run this and send the data over the TCP local TCP socket, somewhere in local TCP socket. And let us relook at the the robot scripts. So there are many robot script. So there is also a install MySQL. This script will tell you how we can install MySQL server, and this is the script to run the robot to save the SQL database. SQL backup is there. So, and this is for the creating the client, create client, what client it is creating. Okay, it is creating and one person so that he could trade, make trades. Mm, Let us close this also. There is backup files. This is test robot. This is the way we can install and create a client, decrypt. Then there is Binance fork. And here also we have shell script to publish uh, uh, the project that we have, like Binance. There should also be a script to like this. Here is the publish. So that we could publish this project. There is, so then again run robot is there. Okay. And let us try to find, do we have script to start the Binance stream. Let us study this run robot shell script. In first, a variable has been created and database user password has been asked. Maybe I don't database has already been defined, and user and password is written over this file. Let me pause and okay, so two lines are above this line that gives the username and password, and then a symbol is fetched from the SQL table, and uh, we run this run this publish file, and for uh, uh, we run this file robot and pass an argument for each of the for uh, each of the symbols. So there could have been many symbols like Ethereum, BTC, Solana. For each of those symbol, it will run individual robot separately. This could have been seen in the task in the system.task or maybe task manager. Uh, in the task manager in this processes. Uh, Okay, this is it. In the next video or in this in the continuation of this video, we will see how can we subscribe to uh, these streams that we were talking about in the socket client and the socket client. So this socket client we will see how can we start getting some trades or some depth. Actually, this part we we needed to see the overview of the this Binance project, actually Binance solution, and in some other video we will see how to connect to the socket. So this is the end of this video.